Hi, my name is Grace Arridge. Today, my return demonstration is about calf sling. Calf sling is to limit the movements of the shoulder joint and the upper limb. There's 6 steps of calf sling. Step 1. Place the narrow cravat diagonally in the top of the apex of the forearm. Step 2. Wrap the distal end and insert underneath the bandage. Step 3. Wrap and insert the distal ends underneath the bandage. Step 4. Pull both ends gently. Step 5. Pull both ends and wrap around the neck. Step 6. Tie both ends together with a square knot. Insert loose end.